hopefully I can get it to 100 real quick. After that, taking it back to drag racing. I just want to really see how fast the car is. Let's get this going. Okay, let's start that. Little track. Then start that. Let's see if it's moving. Alright, it's counting. So that's good. Alright, just a little quick pass. Block ain't that long. Batteries ain't fully charged. Just a little quick test hit. A little quick test hit. Turn that way down. Okay, see what I can do. Don't seem like no 100, but it did make a clean pass. I didn't hit nothing. It didn't flip over. Pull it right just a little bit. Pull it right just a little bit. Stop, read, what I get. What the hell is that? What the hell's 348 miles? Oh, this thing is broken. Babe, I did 348 miles. This thing is broken for real. Alright, let's try this again.